Yo, what is up guys? Today I'm bringing you a video. This is not a gaming video. As you can tell, this is an unboxing video. This is a keyboard that I got from Wish. It's called an Ajazz, a mechanical keyboard. It's a small compact keyboard. It's kind of similar to the Ducky 2 mini keyboard, but I think this is better, especially for the budget. You know, if you're on a budget or something, or you don't want to break like a hundred something dollars for a keyboard. This is actually a good keyboard. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna do the unboxing and then I'll get back with you guys for the sound test of how the keyboard actually sounds. And yeah, and also show you guys the LEDs because this keyboard does have LEDs. Well, yeah, guys, I'll be back with you guys. Enjoy this unboxing. We're back. Here's the keyboard. We have the keyboard right here. I'm gonna do the sound test really quick of how it sounds when I press the keys. Then I'm gonna show you guys the lighting that it has. This is actually a really nice keyboard. Like the white is really nice. It has like some chrome. It just looks really nice. But here's the sound test. But there you go, guys. That's the sound test. Now let me show you guys the LEDs that it has. It has two modes. It has this mode right here, which just look at that, it looks freaking badass. And then we have this one right here. Yeah, that's just badass, man. That's really nice. That's really nice. Just look how, like, damn. And this cost me about like 30 bucks. And this looks just like the Ducky 2 Mini. And the Ducky 2 Mini is like 100 and something. And I think this is way better and more worth it, especially if you're on a budget. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out. That loud.